If we are watching something funny on the television or in our mobile phone, maybe a movie or a video clip, we may laugh until we cry. This definitely makes us feel good and increase our emotional well-being. But does this offer us an opportunity to be our best self? Part of our best self maybe is having a sense of humor, but hopefully it doesn't stop there. It can be anything ranging from being creative, caring, being wise, or maintaining a good relationship with self and others. Being our best self keeps our life engaged to something that we value, which adds a sense of purpose and meaning to our life.
Goal by itself is meaningful and important to us when it is in harmony with our best self. There is something more beneficial to pursue a goal or to have a goal that falls outside of achieving it when it gives us an opportunity to express our best self. And achieving such goals will bring this benefit or opportunity to an end. For example, if my best self is an able leader who is also an excellent communicator and an efficient organizer, I might have to pursue goals that requires skills and abilities that relates me to my best self. But when I finally accomplish all my goals that requires the skills and abilities relating me to my best self, I will cease experiencing the flow of skills and abilities, and if I further need to experience such flow of skills or abilities relating to my best self, then I might have to keep attaining goals that relates me to my best self. Although getting there was temporarily fun, reaching there is consistently fun. That is why we must seek opportunities wherever it is possible, whenever it is possible, to express our best self. The roadblocks and challenges that we encounter encourages us to self-reflect our actions and be self-aware of the deficiencies and disparities that we have, and we need to address to keep us back on track towards goal attainment. In other words, self-reflection is a self-regulatory mechanism where we become self-aware of the deficiencies or disparities that we have. That acts as a feedback loop, motivating us to take persistent efforts. Persistence makes it more likely that we are going to succeed at a goal, closing the gap between the current state and the desired goal. Persistence also improves the positive expectancy of an outcome as it engages our action firmly compliant with the goal. Persistence also improves the overall well-being of a person as it improves the positive expectancy of an outcome.
This is a point where we realize that being optimistic is something that we do at which we are our best self. Hence, we should never miss an opportunity where we get a chance to express our best self. Hope this video was a helpful and informative video. And if you wish to watch a similar contents in future, kindly subscribe and click that bell icon. This is Jishnu Pawan. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.